Gotta keep it cool and wet like a whale.
Really?
No.
Oh, I'm so gullible. I'm like, really? I didn't know that. You guys are assholes. Hi guys, it's Becca here with Cups on Trucks, and I'm out at the Virgin River in St. George, Utah, and I've got my brother Todd and I got Clay. Todd is testing out his new boat. I know nothing about it, so I can't tell you the model or anything. Maybe I'll get Todd on here telling you about it, but you can ask in the comments if you'd like. But he's got this fan boat that's badass. It's really loud, so we're gonna show you its maiden voyage. We've also got a couple of the Bombers, that one, my new one, I love it, and Clay's snakeskin Kydex one. We're gonna have some fun. Let's go play.
I know. Oh!
You almost hit the camera. Oh, I got that on camera.
Oh, yep. I think they just snapped back in. Oh, good.
What is this thing, Todd? Tell us about it.
What was this?
I don't know the name.
I don't know either. So, like I said before, guys, if you're curious enough, put your question in the comments section, and then Todd will look into what the hell this thing is.
I forget who makes it. I think it's Horizon Hobby makes it. That's why it's got Spectrum stuff. And it's just it's a fan boat. I forget what they call it though. It comes with different stickers, so you can put like police or Navy. Runs on 3S.
Todd used to be in the Navy, so he's a Navy veteran.
3S and 4S. This is 4S, and it screams.
It does scream. It's super silent when it's not screaming. It's dead quiet. Nice. So right as we got done playing in the river, Clay decides to try and drive his Bomber up a curb and breaks one of his rod ends from a trailing arm. So we had to run back to the house and get that, and then we decided, instead of going back to the river, which wasn't really the best for the Bombers, we came out here. This is the spot we call North Main, and it's in Washington, which is right by St. George, Utah. And there's this cool thing. We have lots of footage of Clay jumping off of that with his Rift. But today we're out here at the Bombers. Oh my god, I've never owned a vehicle that can go up this hill. This is my first time having this Bomber, and I've never taken it here. But I've never had one. Todd has his Bomber, and Clay's got his Rift. Both of those are fine on this hill. Well, mostly they eat shit on the way down, but Clay does awesome crashes, but I've never had something that could do it. I'm so excited. ready, set, on your mark, get set, go! Oh shit, I'm already on my way down. And Todd wins! Clay has the coolest descent. Mine was the quickest descent. Woo! Oh, that was sick! Oh, I was all kinds of wheelies. That's so fun.
God damn, we climbed this? What do I do with my hands? I can't believe we climbed this. It's amazing. It's way worse from up here.
I'm gonna wet my pants. He's so fucking funny.
I don't want to drive down it now. I mean,
Now you've seen it from that angle.
I wouldn't want to walk down it.
Oh, he's like, this is really bad. We just... Good job.
It's like toy truck.